Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ashmita and I hope you all are doing well. And yes, I'm going to be sharing my thoughts on the teaser of Shyam Singh Roy. Now I know I saw so many comments that please react to the teaser. I can't react to it because I don't have like my system, but I'm trying to figure out like a replacement. So give me like 1 or 2 more days because my own system is gone for repair. So I don't know how long it's going to take for me to get it back, maybe a week or so, or I don't know. Let's see. Anyway, I watched the teaser and it's been out for 4 days, so I really did not want to delay it any further and just share my thoughts. So like I said, it's not ideal, but here I am sharing my thoughts on this video. So I hope you don't mind that, and even if you do mind, then well, can't be helped. So getting back to the teaser, I loved it. There's so many things I want to talk about in the teaser, but firstly, I did not expect at all for Nani to have a Bengali dialogue. You know, he says something on the line. He says like, you know, Narir Shorir Karur Bondi Noy, Nari Karur Bondi Noy, not even God, like Khobordar and all of that. He spoke in Bengali. That's a Bengali dialogue, and it's a little broken, like the accent is a little off, but it was adorable. I mean, I don't know how much of Bengali dialogues he is going to have, because and it goes into past and present. So the Nani and Sai Pallavi's story is set in a different era, and then we have like Nani in the present time, like in maybe 2020, 2021. So there are, I don't know how both the Nanis are related. Is it going to be like a father-son thing or what? I don't know. But the shots which are, shot like at the previous era, olden era, those look absolutely beautiful. The frames are incredible. The color scheme used there, like the sepia-ish tone. I mean, I know the sepia tone is overdone for depicting like the past timeline, but here I feel it's looking very, very bright, and it's catching my eye. Like the sets and everything, they look fantastic. And there are a couple of shots where you see people are protesting, and Nani is clearly a writer over here, and there's one poster shot of Nani where it's written in Bengali, Deshdrohi. So something very intense has happened, and then you see him typing something about prostitution. So it's pretty clear that he is trying to bust up some sort of human trafficking, like prostitution racket or something like that at that point of time, and then people come out to the streets and stuff like that. So that is something that I got from the teaser, that what is going to be set in the olden era with Sai Pallavi, and they seem to be like Nani seems to be alone in this sort of protest, and then he starts basically probably like an uprising, and the people who are running this kind of racket or prostitution where you are selling off the women and stuff like that. So these people, of course, try to maybe get Nani killed or something like that. And then in the present timeline, you have those shots where there's a tripod shot with him. So I'm guessing he is again maybe a reporter, journalist, photographer, or a filmmaker. It could be anything. And then they will connect these two timelines together. So I don't know if it could be a father-son relationship also, or it could be a reincarnation storyline as well. Let's see. But looks such a magnum opus, looks very, very beautifully shot. Like cinematography and visuals are exceptional, and I already feel that because the song, the Rise of Shyam song, is so beautiful. It was like so goosebump worthy. So I have a feeling that the BGM is also going to be good, because the teaser BGM is actually very good. Sai Pallavi looks incredible. She looks so beautiful and mesmerizing, and her pairing with Nani looks amazing. They look so beautiful together. So I'm really interested to see this pairing come to life on screen. And let's see. I'm actually looking forward to the trailer. So that it gets like I get more context. But Nani his screen presence. I mean, his screen presence is absolutely fantastic, and it's going to be very interesting to see how this movie is, because it's a Telugu film which is set in the backdrop of Kolkata. So, I mean, it's going to be extremely interesting to watch because it has personally gotten my interest peaked because I'm a Bengali. So, I want to see how that blend is done and how they make it, all of it seem more realistic in the sense, because you have those Bengali dialogues. So, let's say it sounded a little bit broken, but it's fine, I guess. It's fine, I guess. I mean, I really cannot judge the way he's speaking Bengali with one dialogue itself. I have to watch the movie. But overall, I'm very happy with the teaser. In fact, for me, I think the scenes with him and Sai Pallavi has gotten me more intrigued. There's this beautiful shot of Durga Puja. Oh my goodness. I think that is a song in the movie. I mean, I hope they release that song because it looked so mesmerizing and visually stunning. So yes, those were my thoughts on the teaser of Shyam Singh Roy. I am fascinated. Honestly, I'm so fascinated. And after the disaster that was Nani deserves like a huge blockbuster hit, and this looks like it has the full potential to break the records. It has full potential to do so well at the box office. So I am very hopeful, and I wish all the makers involved in the film all the best. And yes, definitely looking forward to the release. So yeah, that was my short review on the teaser of Shyam Singh Roy. Definitely let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And yes, I will be signing off from this video now, and I will see you soon on my next video. Bye.